This video will demonstrate the installation of a Headlight Armor headlight protection kit on a BMW M2 using our HID blue headlight protection film. Before you begin, you'll need your Headlight Armor lighting kit and squeegee, a spray bottle with straight water, a can-do attitude, your hair dryer, a microfiber towel, and a razor knife. Once you have your headlight clean, mist down the surface of the lens with water, remove the kit from the backing paper and mist down the adhesive side, and align to the inner corner of the headlight as shown. Once you're happy with the alignment, squeegee down the inner portion of the headlight. And lift the remaining material and mist down this adhesive side with water and align to the back of the headlight. Once you're happy with the alignment, squeegee from the front of the headlight where you started all the way to the back of the headlight on the main portion near the seam, and then from that area down to the bottom of the headlight, back and forth. A little bit at a time until you reach the end of the headlight. And continue until you get to the bottom of the headlight. If you have an area that you didn't get down to your liking, simply peel it up, re-mist with water, and re-squeegee. Squeegee from the front corner up until you get to the seam beginning. Squeegee up firmly, set the material. Next we're going to lift up the remaining material and align as tightly as possible to the rest of the kit, working little by little down the seam. Once you're happy with the alignment, squeegee the seam, and from the seam to the back edge of the kit. Finish up your install by going over the edges with your microfiber towel and a hair dryer. If you have any material hanging off an edge, trim it flush with the razor knife, and you're done. Visit HeadlightArmor.com for lighting protection kits for your specific application today.